I ordered another phone, another broken phone to repair. We have a Samsung A50 smartphone. Up. Okay. We have the phone, and hopefully we have all the other stuff in here. And the phone. Oh, we even have a case. Okay, so let's take it out of this case. Oh wow, the back is in a really good condition. Let's try to boot it up. What? Okay, I thought it was gonna be a fully broken screen, but it's not. So let's set it up. And we're in the phone. So we're gonna order a new screen and get this thing fixed up. Okay, I got the display. So now we're gonna repair this phone. I got OLED, so the little fingerprint sensor works. So got that you have to power it off like this. Take the case off. Okay. So I'm gonna have to heat it up, and for that I'm gonna just use a blow dryer or dryer because I don't have a heat gun or a heat plate. It's pretty warm. That could be enough. Okay, we have the back panel off. Yeah, that's not been opened. We have unscrewed everything. Let's remove this. Put the battery. And I think we're gonna test the screen. What do we have like this? So this old screen is still on. This flux cable connected. Just the screen. Okay. Let's boot this guy off. Because the screen on this actually still works. And I wanna try to get it off in one piece. So I can trade it in and get some money for it because the LCD still works. I want to try it because I've never done it, but yeah, the money isn't really substantial, so if I break it then that's fine, I guess. I can remove that. Beautiful. This is the fingerprint scanner. I'm gonna tape the phone up. Well, that was quick. I already fucked it. Yeah, I see where I fucked up. Because I was going at it right here. And I didn't go deep enough. I went like between the screen and the OLED, so I cracked here, and yeah, here I just gave up. Yeah, that adhesive is so strong that there was no chance from the beginning. Okay, so we got it off and there was no chance of salvaging that. So now I'm gonna clean this frame up. It's been a while, so the display is dried up nicely. So I cleaned this back panel, I applied the adhesive, and I'm gonna stick this down just like that, and I'll hold it together with rubber bands. It is a bit messy from the glue, but it's gonna just peel off like this. That's easy to clean up. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching.